Hey, what is up, guys? Wizzle92 here, and today we have another brand new Nexo set. This is Lance vs. Lightning, a Toys R Us exclusive. I got this for $25. It comes with 3 minifigures: Lance, pretty creepy Gargoyle, and Grimrock. Even though it says Lightning, I thought this guy's name was Lightning, but that was quickly mistaken. So yeah, let's just open it up, and it also comes with a Forbidden Power, which is malicious melting. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. And here we have the set all opened up. So also, it can combine with Battlesuit Lance and Centaur. I actually recently got Battlesuit Lance, so we'll take a look at that, along with the Lance's Twin Jouster, which I also got recently, and yeah. Oh, kind of a dark instruction book here. Well, it's normal on the inside, but outside it's kind of dark a bit. Look, it's like. Anyway, there's 2 bags, a couple of stickers, and yeah, let's get right into it. And here we have the set all finished. As you can see, Lance is riding on his little robo-horse thing, which is pretty cool. They use the same build for the head as the hover horse. It also comes with this weird cave thing. Has this creepy gargoyle, and you also have Grimrock, which is it's a lot similar to Burnsy. No, Sparks, I mean. Guarding the Forbidden Power, Malicious Melt. No, what it's called? Okay, oh, jeez, I have to look up what the heck these Forbidden Powers are. Malicious Melting. Yeah. There's a Goblin Catapult. Obviously, it fell out right there. Those are the little stone goblins. Stone ones, I don't know. Yeah, it just kind of slides in here, and that's about it. Now, let me show you this set's compatibility with Battlesuit Lance. So I have here. So just sort of take them off. Get this set right here. Put the camera down. You have both of them taken apart, and then just put Battlesuit Lance on there, and you pretty much have Battle Centaur. Lance here, Centaur. Anyway, let me take it apart again so we can have it back to normal. Yeah. Kind of weird looking, but it's a pretty clever idea. Also, I have Lance's twin jouster here. And again, get these things separated and there. Push the little cycle out. And with this, get Lance here. You see this thing on the back? I don't think I said this, but I remember thinking, what is this for? And I quickly found out what it was for. When did I do that video? I think 2 days ago? 3 days ago? Who knows? Let me put the camera in. There it is, right there. The Ultra Flying Lance thing, yeah. Anyway, that is it for Lance versus Lightning. I highly recommend this set. It's a nice little exclusive set and has pretty fun build. Yeah, that is about it. Weasel192, signing out.